Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we all are in same page on the ongoing civil justice sign-off process is all about. United States of America government with fatal negligence provided robocall poverty mandate, poverty disability mandate, finance disability mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose, and that is the deadliest crime of United States of American government, and that is why I. Vedapriya Prose is signing the closure sign of civil justice sign off for myself. So I want to be on same page on that, so that in front of all nations and in front of all entire human kingdom, I will get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So I will read the civil justice sign off. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars, USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am that I am Vedapriya Prose, a native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide, can help me. Then the scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide ascend. Republica France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain, never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, a true civil doctor, a true civil supreme judge. And it is a fatal negligence of France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain. And it is crime for France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain to be fatal negligent. And it is also crime to be failed in Holy Highness co-prince of Andorra, French job as well. So either USA government should say knows who is France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain, or either USA government should say don't know who is France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain. And the extended civil justice sign-off is I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own this text for ongoing civil justice sign off for myself to get the civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. So, Republica France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain, with fatal negligence failed to educate USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate, and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate is a deadly crime of France leader. To I, and he mandated the poverty to I, Vedapriya Prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. And the Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, and then President Trump, then Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 only enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,000, $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, October 2020, and as of today, February 6th of 2021. And also enforce finance disability to I. So it is a crime of Republica France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain when ruling USA. Never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I. Vedapriya Prose. So civil justice is I. Vedapriya Prose want United States of America Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 immediately using direct deposit process, and Citibank CEO must also sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account, and Republica France leader and co-prince of Andorra, Spain must sign off tax-free $1 billion in direct deposit to my bank account, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republica government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be in the same page. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename the Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name, Vedapriya, is a civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to become Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, pro se, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, pro se, to become Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, pro se, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director, Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health and Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military in all nations across the globe in civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya, proceed to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya, proceed must get dual citizenship of USA and India now is the civil justice served. And I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. And we are all on the same page that the excellent, perfect, heaven way of flawless supreme civil justice sign-off process is being provided by I am that I am, born to save the world. Okay, talk to you all soon and have a good day. Bye now.